Hey guys, it's Candy. Welcome to my channel. Yes, so today's video is a little bit different. Yes, usually I'm here showing you guys a full out tutorial. Today is a little bit different. I'm just doing what I would call a show and tell. Yes, how I created these absolutely beautiful goddess box braids, and this is how it turned out. Yes, this is, I would say, small medium in size. The absolutely beautiful ombre color is everything. Look how neat those plaits are. Definitely looks like it was created by a machine. Okay, but the hair that I use, guys, is from Amazon. Both types of hair are from Amazon. We have one from the company called Defini, and it's their pre-stretched braiding hair. It was 24 inches and it's in the ombre color T530. And the hair that I use to create those nice, beautiful curls at the end is from Perriant, and it's their French curly braiding hair in 24 inches. The color is burgundy. And guys, I am going to leave a video in the description bar below so that you guys, if you're interested to see a detailed video or tutorial showing how I achieved this, I'm going to show you another video that I have done. I've used the hair before several times, and so I'm going to leave one of those videos with a full out tutorial for you guys. But I honestly don't remember how many packs of each hair I used to create this style, but what I can tell you is that when you make one order, you get 8 packs of hair in the order for both types of hair, and so you will have more than enough hair to create this style. I believe that she actually had enough to get 2 styles out of the package, so you definitely will, maximize on your coins. And of course, you have to go in with your mousse to make sure that the hair is nice and sleek, to get rid of any flyaways and to give it a nice healthy shine. But if ever there was an Amazon hair that I would recommend, it's this hair. It does not tangle at all. Like I said, she has used it multiple times before. No complaints. The hair does not tangle at the end, none at all, and it stays really, really neat. Does not have much flyaways once you braid it. And guys, what can you ask for? If you're going for a braid look, you can't ask for nothing more than this hair. So go ahead, click the link down below for the video if you want to watch it, and I also will leave both links to the Amazon store, so you can go straight to the hair if this is a hair that you would like to get. They have multiple colors. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you on my next one. Bye.